stunning almost brand new, 2-story single-family smart home with just over 4,600 square feet with an upgraded coastal elevation. The moment you enter this home, you will appreciate the quality of workmanship and the complete WOW effect that this home has to offer. Featuring an open floor plan. A great room with a Hathaway sliding glass doors. 5 bedrooms, a den, upstairs loft with a home theater, 4 full bathrooms, 3 half bathrooms, and a 3-car garage. With over $250K in upgrades, including a gourmet kitchen with stainless steel KitchenAid appliances, gas stove, 42-inch cabinets, granite counters and stainless backsplash, oversized center island and long family entertainment and eat bar, hurricane windows and doors throughout, 5-inch baseboards throughout the entire home. Owner's suite with hardwood flooring, a walk-in upgraded California closet, walk-in shower, plank tiles in the foyer, den, great room, laundry and kitchen, hardwood flooring on the staircase and many, many more upgrades throughout this amazing home. Located in